Hi guys again. So yeah, in this video I'm going to unbox the two EXO albums, and yeah, I don't really know if I should show you what's inside besides the photo cards, but since a lot of people already have done the unboxing videos of these, but yeah, so I guess I will start with I take exo-k, so it's like this, and the back is like that. So it's in this standard jewel case. So okay, so you always get two photo cards in this album, and I got the OT12 one, and so yeah, I don't know what these things are. And if you want to see it, and the storybook is like really similar to the Korean version. So the problem with these Chinese photo cards is that they're in lower quality. The quality is not really as the Korean ones, but anyways, it's fun to have these as well. And now for the exo-m one. So there's one person that I really want to get, but as usual I have no luck, so I don't expect too much. Okay, open it. Okay, so I got the 26M and 10. So yeah, and this photo card is really cute, so I'm very happy with it. It's okay. I don't know if you know, but I wanted Chris as usual, but yeah, whatever. And it's like this, and the photo book is very similar to the others. So yeah, that was all. Now I got like 4 new photo cards. Oh, it's so cute. Chen, he wrote, well, I love you in Chinese. So that's really cute. I'm waiting for my other package. I hope it will come soon, before Christmas. It's Christmas in next week, Monday. It's really amazing, but and I got some new pictures. Can you see who it is? It's Chris, but yeah. Yeah, well, this was a bit awkward. It was a while since I filmed something, but thank you for all watching. Really thank you to all of you. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!